What's good, all my Lockies and Lock X? This your boy Christopher Wright, and yes, I'm back here again with another video. And in this video, I will be going over the update of Dr. Berg's hair formula. Here is Dr. Berg's hair formula, and guys, I will be giving you the update on a 30-day trial to show you exactly what this product has done for me and what can it do to improve for you. So let's dive into the video, man. All right, guys, so here we go. So this is the breakdown of the hair formula. If you can see that, make sure that's in there very well. Yeah, Dr. Berg's hair formula. It is a DHT blocker. It is good for anybody with traction alopecia, any formulation of alopecia, or any hair loss, or any skin disorder, or scalp disorder, or any scalp abrasion, whatever the case may be. But it is a DHT blocker, and it has a great formulation to help reduce that and then start improving the hair follicles, the hair growth, the pores, and on a nutritional aspect versus just a topical. So guys, it's not your ordinary hair, skin, and nail multivitamin. It doesn't have all those components compared to others hair, skin, and nail vitamins. But this one right here in particular, let's read some of the ingredients. We have the calcium orotate, that's good for absorption. We have the biotin, which is common on every level of hair growth, increasing that. Then you have the hydrolyzed fish collagen, type 1 and 3. So it's a different type of collagen. It's not your typical cow and other versions of the collagen. So this collagen is actually coming from a more effective source. Next we have nutritional yeast. I forgot what that truly does to play, in fact, and you know, and how that corresponds with hair loss and improving that. So I will actually have to do some additional research on how nutritional yeast does improve. But we also have the concentrate AC trace mineral blend, and that's at a 50 milligram, whatever that blend is. But it does have your trace minerals, and it is a Trademark brand. And then you also have your hair horsetail powder with the whole herb. Then you have the stinging nettle, and I've preached about the stinging nettle in my last video in reviewing these products. But it is the extract of the 4:1 ratio. And then you have your vitamin E, which is your I'm gonna butcher this name. I already know it, so guys, forgive me on that, but I'm gonna end up butchering this name. But it is a tocopherol, man, okay. But it is the complex from the Eventhough Max, the Eventhough Max trademark. But that T word corresponds with a lot of the vitamin E. And guys, you take this twice a day, one in the morning, one at night, preferably with a meal. And guys, I am nowhere sponsored by Dr. Berg and his hair formula. So this is just my humble opinion, and these are the results that I've gotten. And so let's dig into what may it have done for me. So to give you the breakdown and the updates of what the Dr. Berg's hair formula has done for me, I have seen some great improvement. Has it been drastic? No, I only use it for 30 days. So, and that was 60 in the bottle, 60 count, and they're veggie capsules, but I've only used 30 days. And I do plan on purchasing another set. And I think on Amazon, I think it's cheaper on his website, but reason why I went with Amazon is because, you know, I'm a Prime member and it will come a lot quicker. So it came in within 2 days. And I think it was like $44 on Amazon, and then I think on this site it's $42. So not a dramatic, you know what I'm saying? Not a dramatic pricing, but at the same time, I didn't have to pay for shipping and handling. It came within 2 days, and I began the product that following day. So, like I said, I've seen some improvement in growth, especially in, let's see if we can get that here, especially in my alopecia spot. And I'm hoping you guys see this. But if you, I'm gonna try to post up my previous video or a photo of what that area looked like before things started improving. So in this area here, the growth has maximized a lot, but that's also due with the multivitamin. I said in my last video, the multivitamin Men Alive, and then I've used 3 different hair serums, one by Canvas Beauty, the next by hair thickness maximizer with the EMU oil, and then third with the Nora's treatment hair serum. And as you can see hairs coming back in, they're filling up slowly and surely. So I give it about a good year in order to really see some increased growth right there, in order to really see some maximized growth. But I am going to continue the Dr. Berg's hair formula so you can see that, and you can just see like where everything's starting to fill in. I can, right here, things are starting to grow this long, and now it's kind of knotting up at the top because it's unkept because of the semi-free forming and have not retwisted yet. But things are coming in slowly, and it's almost doing this circular pattern. Is growing in the edges before it seals in this particular area. But like I said again, I will be purchasing that product again, and I will give you an even in-depth update on how everything is improving. And then you can see in my previous pictures how that looked. But yeah, I will link those products again, the oils that I use, the hair serum that I use, if you want to purchase that. And if you have your own hair serum, go ahead and try it, go ahead and utilize it. But one in particular, like I said, you want to make sure that you're using this here to help improve. Now there may be other products that help with DHT blocking, but this one in particular, I researched it. I tried to see other reviews. There wasn't many, but I usually follow Dr. Berg's content on YouTube, and I like the information that he provides, and so it had me curious about this particular product, and it came in at the right time. And you know how YouTube's algorithm is, and all of a sudden, boom, it pops up right when I needed to know about it. So I looked into it, and I said, you know what, let me give it a try. And so I believe it's effective. Don't get me wrong. Is a sprint versus a marathon? Nah, you're looking at a marathon versus you're looking at a sprint. And I'm not looking at anything to kind of make a dramatic change in my hair growth in the first place, because it's just unrealistic. You know, a lot of things play in when it comes down to genetics. It comes down to the different hair types and thicknesses and stuff like that. If your hair constantly grows, like immediately, I know people that get haircuts and boom, their hair constantly grows back instantly. But that's not the case with my hair in particular. And plus, my hair tends to get a little thick, but since the alopecia kind of slowed things in that particular area, I just always been looking for something to kind of like help improve that, because I've been the guy that been like, you know what, I want to cut my hair. I'm tired of this. I'm done. But I don't want to be that guy. and I don't want to cut my hair when there's other ways to improve it. And I've seen a lot of YouTubers, a lot of different other people improve their hair. Man, I even tried Bosley. Guys, I got desperate to try Bosley, and I went in for a consultation. And guys, that was the worst consultation ever. The information I got was just ridiculous. And I was appalled at the fact that I had to take certain supplements that would affect, one, my sex drive. What? My sex drive? So something to affect my sex drive in order for me to gain hair? Nah, that was already written off already. But that it also I had to take that, and if I stopped, my hair would stop growing. So when I went in there with my homegirl, and we just like, who I was talking to at the time, but we were just like, what? And I'm just like, and in the amount, I had to pay almost $1,000 for this. And then there was a cap, some cap that, I wouldn't say it was a magnetic cap. It used electrons to try to stimulate the hair growth. And you could have went the, the hair graft route or whatever that, but they had the cap that you use. It was just crazy, man. And I'm just like, what? And then y'all requiring for Rogaine and stuff like that? Nah, I'm good. I don't need chemicals in my body. And then, things I started saying like, oh, okay. Yeah, hair, skin, nails. I've tried hair, skin, nails. I've tried, jojoba oil. I tried olive oil. I tried, Jamaican black castor oil and this and that. And they were just like, and I tried biotin. And they was like, oh yeah, those things don't work. Those things don't work. Man, they gave me that brochure and I looked at them. I'm like, y'all crazy. You know what? I'm done. I finished hearing y'all out, but I'm done. Yeah, it's not happening. I'm not spending that much money to then have to continue to stay on that product for the rest of my life in order to continue my hair growth. And then I'm losing my sex drive. Bro, you guys are crazy. Nah, Bosley, get out of here. You know what I'm saying? So guys, if you ever have those issues, do not go to Bosley. They are not worth it. That's just my opinion. But if you have used it and you've seen success, kudos to you, and more success to you. But I'm not doing that. I want something that I can take and I can eventually be off, because my hair has now sustained and gained enough nutrients from my nutrition, from the nutritional hair and skin nails aspect, and then a particular regimen that keeps my hair in its healthy state. So, no, nah. And I don't have male pattern baldness. I don't have that ran in my family. It's not genetics. So I knew, that something was wrong. Like something, either stress or the pulling of my hair when I've gotten hair done, the braids, all kind of stuff. So I just knew that Bosley would not do it for me, and I just knew that there's had to be something that I can use to get my hair to revert, to start growing again, to start stimulating, to start neutralizing my scalp, to start seeing improvement. And then also I implement, like I said before, the scalp massages. So that helps a lot, man. Get blood flowing to the scalp, get a lot of that blood flow, and start opening up the scalp pores. But so guys, like again I said, Dr. Berg's hair formula, I am not sponsored by them. I'm not sponsored by him or affiliation, but at the end of the day, I use the product. It's 30 days for a single bottle. That's 60 capsules, and I've seen some improvement. Now, like I said, I will continue to buy this product more, and I will give you more updates as the time progresses. And I will continue with my regimen and continue with the scalp massages. So guys, I can give you the best chance and the best information to help you improve along your way. So that way you don't have to cut your hair or go to places like Bosley. You know what I mean? So guys, that will actually conclude this video, guys. If you like the video, hit the like button. Make sure you comment in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe to this video and hit the notification bell so you never miss a beat, you never miss a video, and you're always up to date. And guys, Lockies and Lockettes, I salute. I love you. Until the next one.